Hey guys, Mark here at the Overland Truck Store. We're excited to announce our Black Friday promos that are coming up here. So we've got a couple different deals we're going to be doing at the vehicle sales lot. Anything that you buy during the month of November, it's going to be Black Friday all month. We're going to offer a $500 gift card to our off-road shop at the Overland Garage, and that gift card can be used for anything. Do you want to get a lift? Do you want labor to install your lift? You want a roam case? You want a tent? Wheels, tires, whatever it may be, you can use it for that. We're going to be rolling Black Friday promotions out all month long, so keep an eye on our social media, Instagram, Facebook. Also go to our site. We're going to probably put that on there as well. It should be a pretty exciting time. It's a good time to get your truck outfitted or your rig outfitted while we're going into winter. You know, you're not out there summertime, springtime using it. This is when a lot of people come in. They get everything that they've been saving up for the past year. They get it done right now. So give us a call and keep an eye out, and happy holidays.